Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and yet again it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back to show you some very cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create this Polaroid effect within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, if I use my move tool, I can move this image within inside of these three Polaroid photos, which is quite a cool effect. And what I'd like to do today is show you the process you need to do to create such effect. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get my layers window open here. As you see, it's situated on the right hand side here. And I'm just going to select this top layer also by pressing Shift and clicking on it and pressing backspace just to remove, just so that we can start off with the new image. Okay, so as you can see, I have the three Polaroids, and what I need to do first of all is currently make a selection of each of the black sections here. So I'm just going to use our Magic Wand tool. Let's make our first click in there. And now I want to plus to this selection. So I must press Shift and click, Shift and click. Okay. Now with that selection selected, I'm now going to come through and add a new folder. And to that folder, I'm going to apply a layer mask to it, like so. And now what I have is that image. I already have it copied to my keyboard. So now if I just press the shortcut Command V on Mac or Control V on Windows to paste, as you can see, I've now pasted that image within inside of that group straight away. If you have a problem where the image doesn't go in to the image into the group straight away, it's very simple. As you can see, I have the layer here. If I just click and drag it into that group, it automatically just pops into that group. And using the move tool, you can click and move the image around now just to get the point where you like it to create an amazing design. Thank you very much, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.